Hello, so this is the fridge, and here you can see it is not dispensing any water right now. No water is coming out, and but if I press the cubed eyes, we are getting the cubed eyes, and we are also getting the, but there is no water. And here you can see this is the Kenmore refrigerator. This is the model. So first we will check here if my filter is correct. Oops, it's very dark here. So I have changed the filter very recently, and there is no problem in the filter. And we are not getting any sound for the water. So this is the back side of the fridge. Here you can see water tubing is going up, and this is the downside. So before doing anything, we have to remove this electrical connection first. Now you can see there is no sound, and then we'll make sure first if water is coming in this line or not. So we need to open this line first. So first we will close this valve. So before opening this line, let's close this. You have to just push it down. Now the water line must be closed, and then we need a wrench to open this connection to the fridge, and you need one bowl, two wrench and towel. So you need to, here there are two of them connector, so you need one wrench to hold this first, and then another wrench to open it. Always anti-clockwise to open it, and some water will come because it's already in the line. Okay, and now I'm going to open this valve this side. So I'm going to open this valve and want to see if water is coming here or not. So here you can see water is coming very quick, so it means this line is perfect. There is no problem in your main line. And now we have to open the back side of the fridge using these removing all these nuts from here. So we need a big wrench like this one to open one by one all these, and then we'll see what to do. So here, using this big screwdriver, we have opened all these connector, and this is the cover. We have to remove it, and now main water line is, you can see, is going inside, and then these are the two valves for water. One is for water dispenser, one is for ice maker. So we need to remove these, and then we will disconnect the pipe first, and then we'll remove this. Here this tube which was connected with the water, it is going all the way back side, and if you see from here bottom, I can show you that this tube is connected with water filter, and then this tube is coming out from the water filter, and so we need to remove these valve, and before removing these valve we need to disconnect this connector from here. So we need again our plier to open these. To remove this tubing from here, we need to remove this clip, and this one, white one also. Just we need to pull out. Okay, and then here you can see this is the, so we have to push up and then remove the water line. Just push and release. You can easily come out. Just push up and remove. I'm pushing and then you can remove it. So, okay, so oh, this is the hell of water coming out. You need some rug extra to keep it water coming out here, because there is some water in the line which is coming right now. Okay, now there's no water. Now we have to remove these valve by opening these two screws here. So to open these nuts, I'm using this this big plier was not working. This big plier was not working properly, so I'm using this wrench, adjustable wrench. You have to fix properly and then open it. So now you can see it is opening. Same way the bottom one also. Now you can see this is loosening, and now I can use my bigger plier as well. So now you can see this valve stand is open, and now it's hanging in my hand. So hold it, and here you have to remember that this side is the white electrical connector and the right side is the blue one. So we have to remove these connector first. Just push back side and they will come out slowly. Once again, this one also, be gentle, and then will come out. So there is one more water line is backside, so we'll see. Before removing this water line, I want to test the electrical resistance of these two valves. So let's check the electrical resistance of these two valves. One is for water and one is for ice making, and if one of them is not functioning, then we have to change the whole assembly of this one, because this is the whole set come out. So here we have multimeter, which is in I have set up in resistance to check the resistance 2K, and right now here if you see in one of the selenoid valve, let's check this one first. Okay, so I have connected this brown selenoid valve, and if you see the meter reading is 100.192. so one is the correct one, and let's change to the another one. And here I do not have any resistance. So look like one of the solenoid valve is faulty. So we have to replace it. We will, but before removing this whole valve, we have to remove this pipe also. One more tubing. So it's the same way. You have to pull out this clip first. And then first you have to pull out this clip. Okay, this clip is out. And then you have to push this ring inside and then pull the water tube outside. Okay, now it's easy. And now here you can see the whole assembly is out in my hand. And we will retest the electrical resistance once again here. Okay, so let me show you once again. This multimeter is connected. Red one is here and black port is on the COM. And then I have set up here in resistance in 2K. And then let's check one of the valve. And here you can see there is no reading right now. And if I replace the wire, even then there is no reading. What about the next one? And here we have 194 ohm. So look like one of the valve is faulty. Yes, either way. So we have to replace, we have to buy the new solenoid valve, and its code number is like this one, capital N686 QCN, Robert Saw Company. So let's bought a new one. So here we have a new solenoid valve. Just purchased. It's almost $36. Exactly same model. And 65cc IC. And this is main number is this it's written here, this one, water inlet valve. So first we have to connect, as we have disconnected this tube which will go into the blue one, and then we will connect these to water tube. Okay, so first we will connect this water tube into here in this one, and then you have to reel tight and then clip it with this clip will go. And make sure you don't try to pull outside, and make sure it's not coming out. Next is this will go into the brown. You have to push really hard inside, and then we'll go red clip here like this, and then third tube, this one, will go on the blue one, which is okay, and then let's clip it. So now we have all three clips are connected, and then electrical connection will, this white will go here, and then blue will go on this side. This must go this little bit wrong. Okay, and now we will connect here. Before connecting, you just want to test if it is working or not. So now you can see these electrical connection are in place and all the tubings are placed. I switched this clip because red one was connected with the green one and then white one was here, so just change it. And now we need to connect this water hose from the main, and then we will test if it is working or not first. So let's connect this one and then open the water hose from after that we will open this main water hose, but before that we have to connect this one. Okay, so now here you can see we have connected the water line, and this hose is also up, which is on position, and here I have connected the electrical connection, and this water line is also connected. Make sure this is real tight, otherwise it still start leaking. And now we will test from the front side if water is coming out, and then we will fix the selenoid valve with the screw. Now let's test if water is coming. Very good. Now water is coming from the fridge. So this was the main problem, that our selenoid valve goes wrong. Okay, next is make sure you properly screw these two so that your selenoid valve don't loose, and make sure it's real tight. And after that we will close this with that cover.